In today's video, we are diving into 5 incredible websites that will transform you how you discover your fonts. And these are not your typical font resources, they are a game changer for designers looking to elevate their work with me. Imagine stepping into a library dedicated solely to type and design. Sounds dreamy, right? That's exactly what Letterform Archive offers. This site is a treasure trove for anyone passionate about typography. Letterfont Archive gives you an access to beautiful curated type specimens, rare books, and digital collections. It's a perfect for getting inspired by the history of fonts and understanding the craft behind the design. If you are working on a retro project or want to add authenticity, this is your go-to resource. As a designer, I have often struggling to find that perfect font that adds depth to the project. This archive has saved me countless hours of offering authentic and rare options that you won't find anywhere else. Let's talk about a website that's all about offering modern, clean, and high usable fonts. Font Fabric is a favorite among designers for its sleek and professional font library. From bold display fonts for headlines to minimalistic sans serif for bold text, Font Fabric has something for every designer's needs. The best part, many of these fonts are free for personal and commercial use as well, making it budget friendly resources. One of my recent projects requires a font that was stylish yet fashionable, functional. Okay, Font Fabric collection gave me exactly what I need without hours of searching. So what are you waiting for? Just dive in and see and explore this Font Fabric. If you love typography, this next one is for you. Fonts by I Love Typography. It's a carefully created platform offering high quality premium fonts from some of the world's top type founders. The site isn't just about fonts, it's about storytelling. Each font comes with its own narrative, helping you connect with the designer's vision, what they're thinking. Whether it's from branding or editorial work, these fonts have the finest to make your project shine. As someone who value both functionality and aesthetic, I have found this site to be a go-to for discovering fonts that align perfectly with specific design themes. Who doesn't love free fonts? FontShare is a designer's haven for downloading high quality modern fonts without spending a penny. FontShares offers a well organized collection for fonts that are not for free but also optimized for digital and print use. Whether you are a student or a sensor designer, these sites let you experiment without the worry of licenses. I remember a time where my budget was blank, my bucket was nil, and I get this website for my ongoing design task. And I'm just a beginner, so I prefer this tool, and it booms me out with a good amount of font collection and explores me more in depth into this tool, which helps me to remind my old design days. Font pairing is an art, and Tenura makes it incredibly easy. If you are ever struggling to find font that works humorously together, you will love this resource. Tenura uses all AI to struggle font pairing that are visually balanced and versatile. Simply input your primary font and the site suggests complementary font to elevate your design. We have all these there. Staring at a font list, unusual, right? Tenura takes out the guesswork, giving you time to focus on the creative aspect of your design. So, what are you waiting for? Just explore Tenura and do let me know in the comments below how is your experience with it. Designers, these 5 websites are ultimate competition for creating impact on typography. Whether you are looking for inspiration, budget friendly options, or is skeptical about the pricing and all those things. So here it is. Make sure you like this video if you found this helpful, share with your fellow designers and subscribe to my channel PPPDesigner. For more amazing resources and tips, hit the bell icon so you will never miss out any update from me.